Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Rapid FB Profits, which launches on the 18th of June at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release by Torsten Muller and Anup Chawla, which shows you how to turn your Facebook profile into your personal ATM that spits out cash on demand without investing a dime on advertising. So as the title suggests, this is essentially a newbie-friendly guide to monetizing Facebook. Now, there have been various courses out there with various degrees of information in them. A lot of them, I would say, have been more at an intermediate level. This one really breaks it down to for absolute newbies. So if you're just getting started in affiliate or internet marketing and you want something super simple broken down on how to start using your Facebook profile to make money, then this, folks, is the course for you. So if you know a little bit more about social media, you're already using it to promote, then there are probably other solutions out there for you, but this one is absolutely for the complete beginner or someone that perhaps is already doing affiliate marketing but doesn't know how to transfer that across to social media and to monetize their social media accounts, and obviously in particular Facebook. So if this sounds like you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Rapid FB Profits from the link immediately underneath this review video. I've put together 5 custom bonuses, all related to Facebook and other social media platforms, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. Now, I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are, as I said, custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Rapid FB Profits, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and indeed way more useful than what anyone else is offering. So what exactly is Rapid FB Profits? Well, it's for product creators, service providers and affiliate marketers. Turn your Facebook profile into your personal ATM that spits out cash on demand without investing a dime on advertising. Why you need to grab this today? Because you will be able to become a sought-after authority in your niche. You'll be able to build a strong network of partners. You'll be able to fill your inbox with people ready to buy. You'll be able to close 4-figure deals using nothing but a free tool, and you'll be able to generate sales whenever and wherever you want. Yeah. And I'm not going to go through the sales page in much detail, folks, because obviously you can read that, but this is Anup Chawla and a bit of history about his journey and about, like most of us, where he started out in affiliate internet marketing and was getting nowhere, and finally the things came together, as they always do if you persist with it, folks. You know, persistency and consistency, as we all know, is the key to this business. And if you do that, then you can have the car you want, the bike you want. I'd be dangerous on that thing, folks. I really would, yeah. But I don't mind giving it a go. Imagine what you could do with results like that. In 6 months, Anup started making 10 times more than he made in his 9 till 5. All right, we will come back to that, and we'll also go and have a look at the product itself in a little bit more detail, go through the modules. So let's go back to the bonus page and have a look at my bonuses. So as I said, when you click on the button underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This is just, as I said, a synopsis of what we've already discussed, and you can watch a testimonial video here from a very happy beta tester of Rapid FB Profits. So these are the custom bonuses that I have put together. The first one, I'm going to give you this video course from Art Flair. Now, this is a little bit more intermediate level. but I want to give you some bonuses that will enable you to scale up. So once you've done this course, you can then progress and develop your success with Facebook and social media more. So I think Art Flair's video course, Effortless Facebook Profits, is probably one of the best that's out there, which is why I'm including it. And then I'm going to teach you a completely different method from super affiliate Brendan Mace. So this is more advanced training. Yeah. Once you've mastered the basic of Facebook, you can start looking at doing something like this. And this is a case study on how Brendan made $2,000 in 20 minutes using Facebook groups. Now, obviously there was some setup involved, and Brendan is very well connected, so this isn't something that you can do from scratch, but it shows you what it's possible to achieve once you've mastered the basics in this Rapid FB Profits course and actually started to engage and get a following on social media. Once you're at that stage, then you can start using tactics like this in this case study, and once you're at that level, you genuinely can make this sort of money very rapidly. Yeah. The third thing that I'm going to include is, again, this is much more advanced, but this shows you what it's capable to achieve once you've mastered Facebook. This is a masterclass on Facebook advertising, but also it's an hour and a half long. It will enable you, should you wish, to actually set up and run your own Facebook advertising agency. Now, we're maybe getting ahead of ourselves because obviously most people interested in this product are brand newbies to Facebook. But I want to put in some aspirational stuff to show you that you can actually really quickly master social media, a lot quicker than you probably imagine that you can, and that once you've done it, you will then be in a position to attract people that were in your position before you got this course. So in other words, people that don't understand monetizing social media and they want to be able to. Well, once you know how to do it, you can then start offering that service to other people that are in the position that you're in now. So that is where this course comes in. The next thing I'm going to do is to just expand it out slightly and include this social media masterclass. So this is a 1.5 hour masterclass on succeeding with social media generally, not just with Facebook. Obviously it does cover Facebook, but it covers all of the other key platforms as well. So this is a really good training. Again, 1.5 hours on how to succeed with social media. And finally, we can't ignore YouTube because it's the #2 search engine after Google now. So this is a course on YouTube traffic masterclass, both paid and unpaid advertising. So to get all of these 5 bonuses, as I said, all you need to do is click on any of the green buttons before the countdown timer reaches 0, and you will be able to get them. Yeah. Right, so let's go back to the sales page, and so these are the modules that you will get. So module 1 is Facebook branding secrets. That's actually the shortest module. Module 2 is Facebook content marketing secrets. Module 3 is Facebook engagement hacks, and module 4 is Facebook Messenger secrets. So let's just have a very quick look at these. As I say, I'm not obviously going to go into them in detail, but this is module 1, which is your Facebook branding secrets. And as I said, you can just download these and study all the content. Module number 2 is your content marketing. Module number 3 is your Facebook engagement hacks. This one is really, really good. It's got some really good content in it. And module number 4 is Facebook Messenger secrets. Now, this is actually a very good module, and this is absolutely relevant for 2019. You would not believe what some people are achieving with Messenger and with Messenger bots this year. I just want to, if I can just find it, I want to direct you in the direction of another course. Let me just see, folks, if I can find this on my screen. Sorry about just moving away from this. There it is. Right. Okay, folks, so check out one of my other products, Infinity Buyer Traffic. Yeah, just search for it in my reviews, Aidan Corkery and Ferkel Downs. Yeah, because this would make an ideal add-on to this module on Facebook Messenger. Yeah, because this is bringing in an insane amount of money for these two Irish lads, yeah. So do check out after you've picked this up. Just have a look in my review videos. Make sure it's one of mine, Infinity Buyer Traffic, yeah, because that really will give you a head start on this module here, module 4, Facebook Messenger Secrets, yeah. So I would say, this will be exactly the right way to do it. Pick this up first and discover the basics, but also before that other product goes out of its launch phase, pick up Infinity Buyer Traffic as well, and you will have everything along with my other bonuses that I'm throwing in. That will put you in a really great chance to get ahead of the curve with this product. Okay, so they are the 4 modules. Mick McKay there, who's a nice marketer, is giving some feedback as well. As usual, you'd expect testimonials on a typical sales page, and so here they are. And the price for this, folks, so it's $14.95 on the front end, all right? So it launches 9 a.m., as I said, on the 18th of June, and during the opening bit of the launch period, you can pick it up for $14.95. So let's have a look at the upsells that are available with this product. So the first upsell is $37, and that is a video training course that teaches you how to quickly and easily create your own products and services that you can then sell, applying the techniques learned from the front end product. So you're going to create a product in this upsell, and then you're going to use the marketing techniques that you've learned on Facebook to actually market it. Yeah. So that is $37. And then if you decide, yeah, I'm a newbie and I'm struggling a bit, I can follow instructions fine and I can watch videos, but really what I need is someone to hold my hand and talk me through all this, yeah? Well, you can have a 6-week one-on-one workshop style training course for $197, yeah? And you will get daily email access to Anoop and Torsten with this course, yeah? So, they will literally, they'll hold you by the hand, they'll walk you through setting everything up, and ensure that you cannot fail with this particular product. So if that sounds like your sort of thing, and you're just someone that likes that little bit of extra support, then I would recommend that you take the 6-week workshop, because that will really get you off to a flyer with Rapid FB Profits. So that's pretty much it, folks. It's a nice little product, this. Just a reminder of my bonuses here, in case you've forgotten them. To pick them up, you just need to click any of these green buttons. That will bring you back through to the sales page. Click on Add to Cart, and then that in turn will take you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Sorry, it's my bald head down there. Click on the green button to access Rapid FB Profits, and then click on the blue button to access all of those custom bonuses. And that, folks, is pretty much all there is to it. With this, we're going to give this a 4 out of 5 stars rating, because it's very newbie friendly. I think sometimes we assume knowledge that people have when we're talking about basics, and it's interesting to note that probably the most basic of all YouTube courses that came out earlier this year is my second biggest selling item in 2019. Yeah, even I, I'm very much in favour of newbie friendly stuff, yeah. But even I, when it came out, I thought this is just too basic. Surely, people are not going to pick this up. It is just like so like kindergarten basic. But people absolutely loved it, because people didn't know, and that is what they wanted. They wanted it broken down into like super simple stuff. And that's exactly what Anoop and Torsten do with this, which is why I think it's great. It's a no-frills product. It's 4 PDF modules, but it tells you everything you need to know. And what more could you want than that? So that's why we've given it 4 stars. And as I said, all that remains for me to do as ever is to thank you for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Rapid FB Profits.